Behind the line, this match begins in 3, 2, 1, rebuild.
We've got 3 bots on Red Alliance moving. We have 34-87 scoring from close. The human players are scoring from far. We also see the quadrangles gathering a full hopper and unloading that their goal. Over on your Blue Alliance, Reckless Robotics, they're ready to unload their hopper. Unfortunately, they are a little too far. Human players from both sides are scoring as both Red Alliance bots climb. That will be 30 points for the Red Alliance at climb alone. If they can score 15 more this match, they will get a ranking point. We've got 49-82 and quadrangles gathering full hoppers and scoring them in. The Blue Alliance gets the first shift as they scored less fuel during autonomous. Reckless Robotics has a full hopper and it's getting ready to score into their goal. We have Olympus Robotics shuttling fuel back to their zone with their turreted launcher. And as the Blue Alliance shift ends, we have the Red Alliance shift beginning as the quadrangles start scoring with their turreted launcher. We also see Olympus Robotics joining them and 347 Red Pride Robotics. As an interesting note, all 3 bots on your Red Alliance turreted launcher. This allows them to score on the move, but limits their throughput as compared to a drum-based launcher. The Blue Alliance shift is now active as we enter the last minute 20 of the match. Red Alliance leads 134-20. Red Alliance has also gotten a ranking point for scoring 100 fuel this match. We've got the Fearsome Gears trying to score into their hub alongside their alliance partner Reckless Robotics. On the Red Alliance, we continue to see 34-94 and Olympus gathering fuel for their shift, which has just begun. The quadrangles are pushing fuel back into their zone and getting ready to fire the fuel they have in them. And now they're gathering fuel they've stored before to continue to score. The Blue Alliance has almost scored 200 points this match. And we are now in endgame. The teams may continue to score or climb. We may see a few climbs out of the Red Alliance. If they can get 2 more level 1 climbs off, they will get a ranking point for this match. We see Red Pride Robotics and the quadrangles getting ready to climb. It appears that both of them are off the ground. If they remain up there, they will get a ranking point. On the Blue Alliance, we see Reckless Robotics scoring a hopper full as we enter the last 5 seconds of this match. And this match will be over now. We will have scores out soon. With a score of 217-99. The Red Alliance takes home 5 ranking points, 1 for the Traversal RP and 1 for the Energize RP. Team of 49-82 Olympus Robotics will be getting a yellow card for egregious violation of a rule.